Breathe. My battery's about to run out, so I don't have a lot of time. I really gotta get everything that I want to get down my mind out on the camera right now. Okay. I'm starting to sweat. Hey y'all, hey, it's Miko, and you are on the go with Miko. Today I figured I'd do a get ready with me, so we're switching it up. Hey, we're switching it up. Flipping it and dipping it, we're switching it up. We are in the middle of our Lazy Natural series. It is still going on. If you haven't seen the first installment, 10 natural must-haves, I will link it in the iCard. I'll also have it in the description box. The second installment of the Lazy Natural series was detangling. Check out that video. I'll also have it linked in the iCard and in the description box below. So we're taking a quick break from our Lazy Natural series to bring you a get ready with me. And so if you'd like to see how I achieved this look, keep watching, girl. Okay, so we are starting with a cleansed and moisturized face. We're adding our primer here. We're also going to prime our eyelids. This will be the base for our eyeshadows today. I want to get a brush just to have a very smooth blank canvas to apply those eyeshadows and set with a little bit of face powder. So then I'm going to start with the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and I'm going to go in with this brown shade in my crease with a fluffy brush. I will have all of the information regarding what makeup I'm using in the description box. I'm going to take this deeper brown to deepen the crease a little bit and give some great shape to my eyes. And we're going to do a cut crease look today, so I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape to apply that base there. And then we are going to apply the yellow eyeshadow on top from this Juvia's Place palette to really make it pop. So we're going to take our application brush there and apply the yellow right on top of that concealer, the Shape Tape. And then we're going to go in and deepen outer V with the green eyeshadow. I'll switch brushes here just to be able to pack on that color and get it really intense in the outer corner of the outer V of the eyes. Then I'm going to go in with this orange shade and go atop of the color along the upper part of the crease just to kind of blend everything in. I prefer to have an orangey shade in my transition area. And then we're just going to clean up the fallout and move on to foundation. I'm using the Becca Ultimate Complexion Cream, and then we're just going to blend that in, buff it in very smooth and light. From there, we're going to move on to concealer. I'm using my NARS, and we're going to highlight underneath the eyes, along the bridge of the nose and the chin. I do not do my forehead. I'm going to go in with the Creme contour so we can snatch that jawbone and them cheeks, honey, and all of the places where shadows would normally lie along your face. And then we're going to blend that cream contour in with a damp beauty blender, or also blend in the concealer. So then we're going to set the areas with this powder from Mercier. And then I'm going to follow with my Mineralized Skin Finish powder from MAC. Now I'm going in with my powder bronzer. This is the Covergirl Queen collection that is hidden all the way pan, but I love it so much and I have not found a replacement, so that's what I still use. From here, we got a break for the music. If you're sleeping on this album, get your life. Okay, so I'm going to go in with some of the Mercier translucent powder just to cut out my contour. I will brush away the excess in a little bit. I'm going in with another Juvia's Place blush palette to apply the blush to the apple of my cheeks, and then we're going to go in with the highlighter next to hit those high points of the cheeks. I also down the bridge of the nose, inner tear duct, and the brow bone. Brushed away that excess powder. And now we're going in our waterline with black, and we're gonna shade underneath the water line, that lower lash line, with the same green from that Juvia's Place palette. Onto the brows, brush those hairs up and out, and then I'm using the Goof Proof brow pencil from Benefit to outline and fill in my brows. I do prefer to have a more dominant brow. Just keep it lighter toward the front and get deep and dark toward the end. We're setting our face with the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. This will take the powdery look away and bring everything together, and then I go along all of the previous areas, the blush, the contour, the highlight, and the eyeshadow while it's still moist there. I'm adding a little bit more of that orangey color, and then we're off to mascara. This is Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It is the Bomb Diggity Dong. I'm gonna move on to lashes. Now, this is my first time wearing these lashes. I really love them. They're super long. I have giant eyes, so they work perfect for me. I never need to trim them. So while the glue is drying, I typically move on to the lips. I'm lining with my MAC pencil. And then I'm going to go in with this ColourPop shade. It's a nice red, I believe it's Creeper. And we're gonna fill in and smooth it into that liner. So now the glue is nice and tacky, or it should have been. It was still a little bit wet. We'll go ahead and apply the lashes. I love this lash applicator. I can't do anything without it. It really allows me to get in there. Since I have long nails, it's hard for me to use a traditional pair of tweezers or my fingers. So these allow you to press your lash in with the false lash, really get that in place. Now I typically do black liner as well. That will help blend in, so in case you might have a little bit of a gap or something like that, the liner will help blend it all in. But I forgot, I will go back in and put it in the final look. Coat those bottom lashes with that same mascara, and then we are finished. Do our little victory dance. Hey, hey, hey. I'm done. I'm cute. I'm done. I'm cute. And the slow-mos. I really like this look. I love the pop, the little green in the corners, nice and fun. And you know, don't be scared to throw on a bold lip. I was originally gonna do a nude, but I said, hey, let's go with the red. Why not? YOLO! So if you like the look, let your girl know in the comments below. If you'd love to see more makeup tutorials, check out my 10-minute Drab to Fab makeup look. It will be linked up in the iCard, and it will be listed in the description box. Check out that description box. There's lots of great information there for you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Join the tribe. Hit the bell to be notified when I upload my next video. And thank you so much for joining me on this journey. Until the next journey, you're on the go with Miko. Bye. Got me over here, overstimulated. Hey, hey, hey. Crashing. Okay. Overstimulated.